Hi, this is Sue for Forget Me Not. I'm going to show you guys how to assemble one of our candelabras. So this is the box that it's coming in. Of course, it'll be labeled on that cart. They're all boxed in these styrofoam sort of holders. You'll see already there's little styrofoam pips that are going to come off it, which is why if you find yourself an area that is in one space and assemble them all together, it's less cleanup for you afterwards. We used to have them lined with fabric, but over time it just didn't work. So the first piece you're going to get is the round base. That you're just going to place on a flat surface. This is what I call the stem. It is the long piece that is in the box. And that is your top part. It has the 4 containers to put the arms. So you're going to wipe off the styrofoam as best you can. They all will get a final wipe afterwards. Screw the base, the stem into the base. Hold the base down while you're doing that with one hand if you're able. Because as soon as you feel it catch, you don't want to over twist it. That's when you can start breaking it off the stem. So once it's in, it's in. Then you'll find the 4 arms. And you'll see these arms are already going to have the glue dots attached, the little white squares. You're going to peel off the white protective part once it goes on. So you just literally take, let me move this. You're going to see there, it's the bracket like this, and it's just going to slip right into our candelabra stem like that. Yep, so here we have, there's arm number 1, we have arm number 2, again slipping it in, styrofoam. Arm number 3, we're going to twist it gently, and we're going to twist it actually from the base, so things we forget. Arm number 3, twist from the base. Arm number 4. So there, basically, that's the 4 arms. Then you have our final piece here. Again, it has the glue dots on it. There's a hole at the top of the stem, and you just simply twist this on. Because these are manufactured overseas and they're manufactured in bulk, sometimes the cup will have a slight little tilt, but that's basically it. So now the candelabra is essentially assembled. Prior to, you are going to have your glass sleeves with the 4-inch candle inside. That's why I suggest getting them done ahead of time. And when you place these on,